Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to lock and hide apps on iOS 18.5.1. So I'm provide full guide, don't skip my video. At first I am lock my any apps. So now select like I'm lock my mail apps. Just long press and showing it to require Face ID option. Just click on and click on to require Face ID. Okay, now successfully lock this mail app. So when I'm try to open, okay, need to Face ID. So when I'm put my face, then unlock, or if you want to unlock, so long press on, don't require Face ID. Now successfully remove and I'm just easily open. Okay, and the second, how can easily hide apps on your iPhone. So simply like I'm hide my Instagram. So long press, click on to require Face ID and showing you to three different way. So I'm just click on hide and require Face ID, select and press on hide apps. Okay, now successfully hide my Instagram. So, and how can easily find your hidden apps. So go to app library, scroll down, then showing it to hidden option, just click on, then showing it to your hidden apps. You just easily open, or if you want to unhide, just open, long press and just click on don't require Face ID, that's mean unhide. Okay, I'm at home screen, lock, press and add this place. So that's it, that's how you can do it.